Today I am preparing short crust pastry to make small cookies. Here are the ingredients. 250 grams of flour, half a packet of vanilla, 110 grams of sugar, 185 grams of butter, 2 egg yolks, a tablespoon of honey and cocoa, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Now I knead the pastry by hand for 2 minutes on the table. I put all the ingredients on the table. Farina, vanilla, sugar, butter, and egg yolks, only the yolks, a pinch of salt. This is a spoonful of honey. I added the 2 yolks and grated a bit of lemon zest, and then I knead. In 2 seconds, the pastry is already ready, and then I will put it in the fridge for a while. It is made extremely quickly and is a very delicious and flaky pastry. I carefully divided the dough in half, and now I add 18 grams of cocoa and mix everything together thoroughly. After 30 minutes, I gently took the dough out of the fridge. It was covered and very nice and firm, indeed making it easier to braid. You can see how nice and firm the dough is. I calculated balls of 10 grams each. Now I put them in the preheated oven at 180 degrees. After 12 minutes, the cookies are ready, well baked, golden brown, and fragrant. This is the famous Abbracci cookie. It has a nice flavor of chocolate and pastry.